Minus 25 seconds.
PS2 VSPP open.
The special camera is
Minus 20
focusing
seconds.
intently on the launch vehicle, and the range operations director
Minus 15
looking very
seconds.
intently at his monitor. 15 seconds, 12, 11
10.
and 10.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Ignition.
Plus 5 seconds.
You have just launched a majestic liftoff of PSLV C-49 carrying EOS-01 with 9 co-passenger satellites, and the range operations director has confirmed the liftoff and that the performance of PS-1 is normal.
जी हाँ, अभी आपने देखा ब्रह्मोचन यान का लिफ्ट ऑफ बहुत ही सामान्य तरीके से बढ़ता हुआ और ये गर्जना करता हुआ आकाश में.
That is PS-1. Its total thrust is 4,800 kilonewtons. It uses solid propellant, HTPB based solid propellant, and alongside there are 2 strap-on boosters.
Plus
हम
1
यहाँ
minute.
स्क्रीन पर देख पा रहे हैं अपने अवलोकित पथ पर
The altitude and the
अभी रेंज ऑपरेशन डायरेक्टर का घोषणा है यहाँ कि स्टेप ऑन सेपरेट हो चुका है.
Now you can see the flight events on your screen. The PS-1 has been flowing normally and its performance is normal. The total burn time is about 108 seconds, and then it will be separated from the ongoing vehicle.
Stage separated. Second stage engine started.
अभी
Now you have
Guidance initiated.
Plus 2 minutes.
आरओडी का अभी घोषणा हुई है. उन्होंने बताया फर्स्ट स्टेज सामान्य निष्पादन करता हुआ यान से पृथक हो चुका है और दूसरे चरण का प्रज्वलन हो चुका है.
Second stage performance normal.
now that the first stage action time is complete, it has been separated from the ongoing vehicle, and we have seen the confirmation from the range operations director that it has been separated, and you can see on your screens the flight regime of PS-2.
Payload fare separated.
And the payload fairing has been separated, and as you have already heard, the closed loop guidance has been initiated.
Second stage performance normal.
अभी आरओडी ने फिर से घोषणा की है कि ऊष्मा कवच का पृथकीकरण हो चुका है.
పిఎస్ఎల్వి C-49 రాకెట్ నింగిలోకి దూసుకెళ్లింది. షార్ మొదటి ప్రయోగ కేంద్రం నుంచి నిప్పులు కక్కుతూ ఆకాశంలోకి దూసుకెళ్లింది. ఈ ప్రయోగం ద్వారా మన దేశానికి చెందిన భూ పరిశీలన ఉపగ్రహం ఎక్స్ అబ్జర్వేషన్ శాటిలైట్ 1లతో పాటు మరో 9 విదేశీ ఉపగ్రహాలను రోదసీలోకి పంపుతోంది ఇస్రో. ఈ రాకెట్లో 2 స్ట్రాపాస్ బూస్టర్లు కలిగిన డిఎల్ తరహా రాకెట్స్ వాడుతున్నారు. ఇలాంటి వాహక నౌకను వాడటం ఇది రెండవసారి. ఈ ఏడాది ఇస్రో చేపట్టిన తొలి ప్రయోగం ఇది.
होता हुआ अब प्रमोचन यान क्लोज लूप गाइडेंस के अंतर्गत है.
Normal.
Now it is about 4 minutes after the launch, and the PSLV stage 2 is performing, and its performance is observed to be normal. It will continue to perform till 261 seconds, which amounts to 4 minutes 21 seconds.
अगली घटना PS-3 का
Stage ignited.
आरओडी ने अभी घोषणा की PS-2 का सफलतापूर्वक पृथकीकरण और PS3 का इग्निशन हो चुका है।
Stage performance normal.
PSLV C-49 రాకెట్ నింగిలోకి దూసుకెళ్లింది. షార్ మొదటి ప్రయోగ కేంద్రం నుంచి నిప్పులు కక్కుతూ ఆకాశంలోకి దూసుకెళ్లింది. ఈ ప్రయోగం ద్వారా మన దేశానికి చెందిన భూ పరిశీలన ఉపగ్రహం ఎక్స్ అబ్జర్వేషన్ శాటిలైట్ 1లతో పాటు మరో 9 విదేశీ ఉపగ్రహాలను రోదసిలోకి పంపుతోంది ఇస్రో. ఈ రాకెట్ లో 2 స్ట్రాపాస్ బూస్టర్లు కలిగిన DL తరహా రాకెట్స్ వాడుతున్నారు. ఇలాంటి వాహక నౌకను వాడటం ఇది రెండవసారి. అయితే ఈ ఏడాది ఇస్రో చేపట్టిన తొలి ప్రయోగం ఇది.
इसके बाद यह बंद होकर PS3, PS4 और सैटेलाइट एक यूनिट बनकर आगे की यात्रा करेंगे। इसे हम कोस्टिंग फेज कहते हैं।
The PS3 will burn for 123 seconds. It imparts 295 seconds of specific impulse. This stage is based on HTPB-based propellant in Kevlar motor case. The motor will provide thrust of 33.5 tons to the ongoing launch vehicle. Now we are 5 minutes 55 seconds after the launch time. The PS3 will burn till 6 minutes 25 seconds.
अभी आप अपनी स्क्रीन पर देख रहे हैं, हम प्रमोचन से 366 सेकंड की दूरी पर सापेक्षिक वेग करीब 6.9 किलोमीटर पर सेकंड का हो चुका है। पृथ्वी से ऊंचाई करीबन 325 किलोमीटर के करीब है।
Third stage action completed.
It is confirmed that the
Hosting base.
PS3 operation is now completed. The PS3 will not burn anymore but will continue to coast along with the PS4 and the passenger satellites. It will be jettisoned in another 145 seconds.
जी हां, PS3 का कोस्टिंग फेज शुरू हो चुका है। यह करीब 145 सेकंड तक का होगा, जिसमें कि पूर्व प्राप्त वेग के साथ प्रमोचन यान अपनी ऊंचाई प्राप्त करेगा।
During the coasting phase, the altitude
Hosting
addition
performance is normal.
is about 160 kilometers addition, while the relative velocity reduces from 7 to 6.9 kilometers per second. These are the flight parameters, time versus initial velocity, relative velocity plots. The tracking of the ongoing launch vehicle is carried out by ISRO Telemetry Tracking and Command Network, a host of ground stations in the flight path of the mission. Participating track centers are Sriharikota, Thiruvananthapuram, Port Blair and Yettaraga in Australia.
Vehicle performance
All
is normal.
stations ensure sufficient time overlap so that there will not be any miss in looking to the telemetry data.
जी हां, इस दौरान हमारे ग्राउंड स्टेशंस टेलीमेट्री के द्वारा यान की सभी पैरामीटर्स प्राप्त करवाते रहते हैं। इसमें 5 टेलीमेट्री स्टेशंस इस बार भाग ले रहे हैं। इन सभी टेलीमेट्री स्टेशंस में पर्याप्त समय का ओवरलैप रहता है ताकि यह इंश्योर किया जा सके कि कोई भी डेटा लॉस नहीं हो रहा है। अगला इवेंट PS3 सेपरेशन और PS4 इग्निशन का होगा।
We are eagerly waiting for the separation of PS3.
Third stage separated.
Yeah, now the confirmation has come that the PS3 has been separated and PS4 is due to ignite in another about 10
Four
seconds.
engine started.
The PS4 ignition also has been confirmed. The PS4 is powered by
Fourth
2
stage
pump-fed
performance
engines
normal.
burning monomethyl hydrazine as fuel and mixed oxides of nitrogen as oxidizer. 316 seconds of burn duration of PS4 develop the required orbital conditions for the payloads and injects the primary satellites, followed by the co-passenger satellites in the predetermined orbit in sequence.
अभी आप देख रहे हैं ग्राफ में रेंज और एल्टीट्यूड और ग्राउंड ट्रेस दिखाया जा रहा है। यान अपनी पूर्वानुमानित और अवलोकित पथ को फॉलो करता हुआ
Stage performance normal.
आरओडी का अभी अभी अनाउंसमेंट आया है। चतुर्थ चरण सामान्य निष्पादन करता हुआ। चतुर्थ चरण एमएमएच और मॉन ईंधन का प्रयोग कर 0.7
పిఎస్ఎల్వి C-49 రాకెట్ నింగిలోకి దూసుకెళ్లింది. షార్ మొదటి ప్రయోగ కేంద్రం నుంచి నిప్పులు కక్కుతూ ఆకాశంలోకి దూసుకెళ్లింది. ఈ ప్రయోగం ద్వారా మన దేశానికి చెందిన భూ పరిశీలన ఉపగ్రహం ఎక్స్ అబ్జర్వేషన్ శాటిలైట్ 1లతో పాటు మరో 9 విదేశీ ఉపగ్రహాలను రోదసీలోకి పంపుతోంది ఇస్రో. ఈ రాకెట్ లో 2 స్ట్రాపాస్ బూస్టర్లు కలిగిన డిఎల్ తరహా రాకెట్స్ వాడుతున్నారు. ఇలాంటి వాహక నౌకను వాడటం ఇది రెండవసారి. ఈ ఏడాది ఇస్రో చేపట్టిన తొలి ప్రయోగం ఇది. పిఎస్ఎల్వి సిరీస్ లో ఇది 51వ ప్రయోగం. ఇక పిఎస్ఎల్వి C-49 రాకెట్ బరువు 290 టన్నులు. స్టేజ్ 1, స్టేజ్ 2, స్టేజ్ 3, స్టేజ్ 4 పెర్ఫార్మెన్సెస్ అన్ని నార్మల్ గా వచ్చినట్లు ఇస్రో అధికారులు వెల్లడించారు. ఇక ప్రయోగం అయితే కంటిన్యూ అవుతూనే ఉంది.
The immediate predecessor in a similar launch vehicle configuration, that is PSLV-DL, with 2 strap-ons, was the first time ISRO used the last stage of the rocket as platform to perform experiments in space. The record for largest number of satellites ever launched by a rocket is achieved by PSLV C-37 mission. It had launched 104 satellites. The PS-4 restart was experimentally demonstrated in C-29
Stage
mission
performance normal.
and functionally executed in the C-34 mission. PSLV is known for the prestigious interplanetary missions, the Mangalyaan or the Mars Orbiter mission in 2013 and the Chandrayaan-01 in 2008, and you can see on your screen Shri P. Kunnikrishnan, Director, UR Rao Satellite Center.
PS-4 अपने सामान्य निष्पादन देता हुआ अब अगले घटना हमारे मुख्य उपग्रह EOS-1 के सेपरेशन की है, जिसका हम सभी को इंतजार है। यह घटना करीबन t प्लस 919.2 सेकंड्स पर होगी। अभी हम 786 सेकंड्स दूर आ चुके हैं प्रमोचन से। सापेक्षिक गति 7.02 की पहुंच चुकी है।
Fourth stage performance normal.
There is a confirmation from the Range Operations Director that the PS-4 operation is normal. And as I was telling you about the versatility of PSLV, PSLV has been the trusted vehicle for the launch of Indian Regional Navigation Satellite Constellation, NAVIC. So far, 50 PSLV missions are complete, and this is the 51st mission. 37 from the first launch pad and 13 from the second launch pad at Satish Dhawan Space Center, Shar, Sriharikota. The present launch is the 51st mission of PSLV and the 38th from the first launch pad. It is 13 minutes 51 seconds after the launch, and we are waiting for the PSLV stage 4 burn completion.
आप ग्राफ देखते हुए अब हम बहुत ही करीब हैं अपने सैटेलाइट सेपरेशन से।
Stage engine shut off.
PS-4 को बंद कर दिया गया है। यह सब ऑनबोर्ड कंप्यूटर की मदद से किया जाता है। अब उपभू दूरी 575 किलोमीटर की प्राप्त कर ली गई है।
Conditions are achieved.
अभी अभी आरओडी ने अनाउंस किया कि कक्षा के अनुकूल स्थितियां प्राप्त की गई हैं और अब किसी भी समय उपग्रह PS4 से पृथक होकर अपनी कक्षा में अंतःक्षेपित होगा।
On your screens, you are able to watch the flight parameters along with the ground trace. The next flight event is the primary satellite separation.
QoS-01 satellite separated.
Now the jubilant moment on your screens.
अभी आप
PS
ऑनबोर्ड कंप्यूटर की मदद से ऑनबोर्ड कैमरा की मदद से देख पा रहे हैं कि EOS-1 का पृथकीकरण सफलतापूर्वक कर लिया गया है।
The EOS-1, the primary satellite of PSLV's C-49 mission, has been injected into the orbit, its intended orbit, and the visuals you are getting from the onboard cameras live.
जी हाँ, यह पल सभी वैज्ञानिकों के लिए काफी उत्साहवर्धक।
That was the separation of the first satellite and 9 more customer satellites in line for the separation, and PS4 still in an orbit reorienting itself for the further injection events.
आप ये घटनाक्रम देख पा रहे हैं, EOS-1 सेपरेशन। अब आरओडी ने अनाउंस कर दिया है R2 उपग्रह अंतःक्षेपित हो चुका है, अपने निर्धारित कक्षा पर अंतःक्षेपित हो चुका है।
ASM-1A satellite separated.
The R2 satellite and the Kleos 1A satellite have been separated. R2 is a technology demonstrator satellite from Lithuania, as we have told you earlier. The next flight event is the KSM-1B separation, which is going to take place any time now. These are the visuals from the onboard camera of the launch vehicle. Mission Control Center, all the scientists are waiting eagerly for the next satellite separation. Mission Control Center, all the scientists are waiting eagerly for the next satellite separation.
ASM-1B satellite separated.
ESM-1B सैटेलाइट का सफलतापूर्वक अंतःक्षेपण किया गया।
Now, the second KSM satellite, that is the KSM-1B, has also been separated at its intended time into the intended orbit. The KSM satellites, 4 of them are taking a ride in this particular mission. They are from Luxembourg and these are meant for maritime applications.
अभी आप अपनी स्क्रीन पर पृथ्वी का विहंगम दृश्य करीब 578 किलोमीटर की ऊंचाई से देखते हुए
ASM-1D satellite separated.
The KSM-1B satellite also has been separated, as ROD has announced. Now you are watching on your screens a very beautiful and vivid visual of the Earth. Next we stand by for the KSM-1C also has been separated. So all the 4 satellites of the Cleo space have been separated. Now the Lemur satellites, one by one, they will detach.
जी हाँ, KSM-1C को भी यान से पृथक कर अपनी कक्षा में अंतःक्षेपित कर दिया गया है। चारों KSM सैटेलाइट्स अपनी कक्षा पर अंतःक्षेपित। आरओडी का अभी अभी अनाउंसमेंट, लेमूर 1 और लेमूर 2 अमेरिका के सैटेलाइट्स सफलतापूर्वक अंतर्क्षेपित कर दिए गए हैं।
Three satellites separated.
जी हां, अब लेमूर 3 भी अपनी निर्धारित कक्षा पर अंतर्क्षेपित।
The Lemur satellites are from Spire Global Inc., USA, whose purpose is multi-mission remote sensing. Now we wait eagerly for the last satellite separation of this mission, that is the Lemur 4, which can happen.
Four satellites separated.
Now
All
here we
10
have
satellites are separated.
Now we have
Mission
here a
completed.
successful
Handing over
mission
to
with
mission
all the
director.
10 satellites separated and injected into
Mission.
the Earth,
C Fortinet has
into their
injected
intended
EOS
orbit.
01 and all 9 customer satellites into the desired orbits. PSLV C Fortinet EOS 01 mission is fully accomplished.
मिशन की सफलतापूर्ण पर सबको शुभकामनाएं देते हुए चेयरमैन ISRO।
Chairman ISRO congratulating all the center directors and senior ISRO scientists in the mission control centers. It's a jubilant environment here.
सभी अंतर्राष्ट्रीय उपभोक्ता को भी हमारी तरफ से बहुत शुभकामनाएं।
We have witnessed a successful launch today, another feather in the cap of PSLV and ISRO. The workhorse of ISRO, that is the PSLV, has once again proved its might and added a feather to its cap. Now we take you live to the addressing of Chairman ISRO Dr. K. Shivan and the team, and we take leave from you. Do take care of yourselves. Goodbye.
जी हां, अब हम आपको सीधे ले चलते हैं डॉक्टर शिवन, चेयरमैन ISRO।
All my dear friends, today I am extremely happy to declare the PSLV C-49 successfully placed Earth observation satellite EOS-01 as well as 9 customer satellite precisely into the 575 kilometer orbit. Subsequent to this mission, the satellite started operating its own functions. The solar panels of the satellite also successfully deployed. First of all, let me congratulate now the satellite team, EOS-01 as well as 9 satellites to take over from now onwards to conduct the rest of their mission life. My dear friends, this mission is very special, very unusual for ISRO. You know, the space activity cannot be done through work from home. Each and every one of the space engineer has to be available in labs, industries, integration area, as well as the field. Then only these activities will go. Especially when we are talking about launch campaign and missions like this, each and every engineer, technician, technical assistant, all the employees have to travel all the way from different centers, and they have to be assembled and work together in SDSC SHAR. At the same time, the various hardware available at the different parts of the country have to be transported carefully to SHAR. Under this COVID pandemic, really ISRO, as per the requirement from national need, the team ISRO, as usual, raised to the occasion, and they worked very carefully with limited staff, at the same time meeting all the protocols outlined by government, and safely they worked, and also without compromising any of the quality. Today's success mainly because of the hard work given by the employees of Team ISRO, and at the same time they are sacrificing their personal interest and work for this particular mission under the COVID pandemic. And really it is very heartening that their hard work paying the pay for the excellent success whatever we have seen. Let me compliment all the employees at the ISRO centers for carrying out this job with carefully, safely, and doing the quality work. At this time, I wanted to compliment all the center directors. When we have gone through the difficult times regarding the availability of the employees, regarding the safety of the employees, that the directors took care of each and every one of the employees of ISRO. They have taken care of their health. They have defined that the special SOPs to ensure that the works are progressing, at the same time the employees' health are not getting affected. I must congratulate and compliment all the center directors for taking initiatives and doing this activity to ensure that this mission is a success. My dear friend, as usual, now we have started the mission after the COVID pandemic. Now we have series of missions on our hand. Immediately we are going to have the PSLV C-50 is going to launch that satellite CMS-01. Then we will be having that new vehicle SSLV. It's the first development flight. It is going to launch, that is at UAS-02. Subsequently, we are going to have the GSLV F-10 launch. It is going to launch, that is that UAS-03. And I'm sure that under these difficult times, as usual, that the center directors as well as all my employees will work safely, with carefully, take care of their health. At the same time, they will be contributing to the nation's needs as usual. I am sure that the Team ISRO will always rise to the occasion and meet the requirements as per the demand put on them. And let me once again thank the entire ISRO employees for making this mission a grand success. And also I wish that all the future missions also, they have to make it a success. Let me wish all my employees as well as their family members for a happy Diwali. It's going to have exactly 1 week from now. And so before Diwali itself, we have a successful launch rocket. So definitely you can enjoy more on this one. Let me wish all the best for all my employees as well as their families. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Congratulations.